Hi everyone, welcome to one more online learning with Miss Barker. Can anybody tell what famous painting am I?
I was painted by Leonardo da Vinci.
You submit your answers together with your artwork on Seesaw, you will get a house point. Now, let's go to the interesting part, the lesson. So today we're going to look at form and 3D shapes. We've been looking at perspective, so this is going to be easy. Basically, where is the light coming from? And these are the shapes we're going to be studying. Okay, so we're going to have a look at how to draw the pyramid first. Now the pyramid is an easy one. There's predominantly one way to do it. And if you do a V, a big large V, and you find a little tip on the top, and then that tip, you can go down to the corners. All right, that's a pyramid. And we're also going to look at how to draw an easy one too, the cylinder. It's also a 3D object. The cylinder, you create a nice oval, okay, and you come down, and you would have the same oval here, but that would mean that the cylinder is transparent. So you have to erase the back one so that you have a solid 3D object, okay? Now we're gonna look at the cube. And the cube, we learned with a vanishing point that if you draw the square and you find the vanishing point, if you take them to the vanishing point, right, you can then do the parallel lines like that, and that is a cube, okay? But some people, they do the cube like this. They do a square and another square, and then they join the corners. But that means your cube is transparent, and you've got to erase some of these lines to make the cube look solid, okay? The other way would also be you draw a square, then you draw the lines like that, and you close them off. You can choose which way you want to do it, okay? Obviously, this one is the best way. An easy 3D object to draw is the cone with the tip there. You draw an oval, and then you join that to there. And yeah, if your cone is not transparent, if it's solid, then you can erase that line and you can see the cone there. But you could also have that line if you're looking at the cone from underneath, like a party hat, okay? The other object that we've got, 3D object, is the sphere. Look how you spell sphere. The sphere is like planet Earth, and you cannot make it look 3D unless you give it some shading. So if the source of light is here in that direction, that means that, like a planet, if that's the sun and it's shining here, that means that this side of the earth is in darkness. And you can only make the sphere look 3D if you do from dark, obviously, to light, okay? One is not a cube, but a cuboid. The cuboid is basically a rectangle that's being converted into 3D. So, best way to do the cuboid is, it's almost like a cube, but obviously the cube has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides that are equal. The cuboid is not. The cuboid has different lengths and widths. So the cuboid could be like that, or could be like that, or could be like that all the way down, or it could even be even smaller and longer, like that. Okay, those are all. And here Nicole is drawing a few of these 3D shapes, one on top of the other. Okay, so we'll start with that. So we're going to apply color now, and the side that is facing away from the source of light will be the side that's the darkest. So you choose 3 colors for each object, a dark, a medium, and a light. And you can see Nicole applying the dark shades to one side and the lighter shades where the source of light is actually coming from. Can you spot the source of light in this picture? Don't forget to let me know if you know who am I.